In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Ledger Nano X. Withdrawing money from Ledger Nano X, a hardware wallet for cryptocurrencies, involves transferring your cryptocurrencies from a wallet to an exchange or another wallet where you can sell or manage your assets. Now, here are some of the general steps. First of all, you need to connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer or a mobile device using the provided USB cable or Bluetooth connection. Then you need to open the wallet application associated with your Ledger Nano X. You have to enter in the PIN on the Nano Ledger X device to unlock and access your wallet. Then you'll need to choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. The process may slightly vary depending on the wallet application you're using. Then look for the option like send or withdraw within the crypto wallet app. This is where you can initiate a transfer as well. You have to provide the recipient cryptocurrency address. This is the address of the wallet or exchange where you want to select the fund. Then you need to enter and specify the amount of crypto that you wish to withdraw, and double check all of the transaction data including the recipient address and the amount, confirm everything is accurate or not. Then confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano X device or through the wallet application. You may need to confirm the transaction by physically interacting with the device as well. Wait for the confirmation. After that, check the transaction status and you must have already received the amount. So in that way, you can withdraw money from Ledger Nano X. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.